Hey, it's Ginny, and today we're doing a dried bean mosaic. So what you need for this is a piece of paper. Cardstock works really well. Pens, glue, lots of dried beans and corn kernels and lentils. And then you can also optionally have a empty CD case. So this is my final product here. So the CD case is really handy because you can just put everything inside. The glue is a base, and then your beans, corn kernels, lentils, all of that on top. But then you can close it, and then you have like a coaster that you made. So to get started, we're gonna grab a piece of paper. If you want, you can draw a template on the back. And so you can see I kind of did the same that I did in my mosaic, so kind of looks similar. So if you want to draw a template, you can certainly do that, and then just measure out the paper and put it on the base of the CD case, and then that way you can just put your beans and lentils and things on top of the picture that you drew. That way you get exactly what you wanted. So let's go ahead and get to work. I'll see you in just a minute. So you saw us kind of complete our little CD case mosaic, but if you don't have beans and things like that lying around the house, you can go on a hike, maybe find some pebbles, shells, things like that, that you can use in place of beans. So there you go. You have a little mosaic coaster, actually, if you want. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.